Hello, today I'm very excited to bring to you an honest review of these 3-inch bent scrapers here from the brand Mr. Rui. So I got two of these. They come with a very nice ergonomic handle. As you can see, it even has those grooves right there where you'd be grabbing it to go ahead and hold. And it just does an absolute amazing job for that paint scraping. So it's got this very nice stainless steel bent blade right here with an anti-slip grip. That way, if let's say my hands are sweating or something like that, it's got a very nice grip. That way I will be able to grip it in all conditions. It's great for cleaning purposes, removing anything, repairing, and just great for the painting as well. And I just absolutely love it. This is what it's looking like all the way around. As you can see, very nice ergonomic grip with a great blade. It's got a nice a straight blade here at the top, and then that nice curved blade as it's going down. So I did get two of them right here. Definitely check them out at Mr. Rui. Very high quality. They're not going to bend on you or anything like that. I absolutely love these. Definitely great for cleaning, especially anything like in our tiles. We like to go ahead and scrape them off with this. It does a great job. Definitely check out Mr. Rui.